Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Revant. Today I'm going to show you how to make another wall hanging which is quite different from the other one, so I'll name it as wall hanging 2.0. So without any deviation, let's start. So the materials required are scale, cutter or a scissor, and Fevicol and an A4 sheet, and I cut the A4 sheet into a square paper. So let's start. So the first step you have got to do is take your square sheet, fold it into a triangle just like this. Now after you fold it like that, fold it again into half just like this. After you do that, make sure you crease it well as always. For that, now I'm taking a scale to crease it well. Now what you have got to do is open it up. Now from here, you can take a pencil or you can do it with your own skills. Prediction, man. Prediction is a skill nowadays. Draw lines which are equivalent, or which are equal or not equal, just like that. Draw it all over these places, just like that. Here, yeah, that's fine. Now do the same thing on the other side too. Yeah. And now comes the main part. After the line you drew here, draw another line which should be bit away from it, just like that. Now draw horizontal lines just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 horizontal lines just like that. 7 here also. So now from here, from the horizontal line, you have got to draw a line just like that, so that you get the exact measurement of the cuts, just like that. And the other side, and on the other side, and on the other side, and here, just like that. Make sure they're neat, okay, so that you'll have an idea how to draw it neat and nice. After you do that, keep all of your materials aside. You'll need a cutter or you can even take a scissor. Now what you've got to do is, after you draw all these lines until this horizontal line at the ending of it right here, you have to start cutting them. If you don't like a cutter, you can even use scissors. For you guys, I'm using scissor right now. You have to cut it all the way until the horizontal line ends. See, I cut it until the horizontal line from until here. Look, at the ending of the horizontal line. Now do the same thing for all of them. After you cut all of this, now cut at the opposite side, and here also at the starting of the horizontal line. Now I did the same thing on the other side. See, I've got all of them cut except the middle part, except the small horizontal line, 1 centimeter horizontal line. Now open it up. After you open it up, it looks similar to this. Now it's the need of your glue or Fevstick or Fevicol, anything you can take. Now what you have got to do is, now we got a small diamond shape right here, as you can see. Yes. Now what you have to do is fold it into a cylinder like this. 1 second. See, just like that, and glue that part. Glue it right. 1 second. So yes, now what you have to do is, on one tip of the triangle, place the glue drop you have to put amount of quantity you need, just like that. Now take the other end of the triangle and put it onto it, just like that. Make sure it sticks well. For that, you can take a pencil, put it at the bottom and make it stick, just like that. How beautiful that looks already. Now what you have to do is turn it around. Now take this part of the diamond shaped stuff, this strip. Now what you have got to do, turn it around, don't forget that. Glue it at the tip of the triangle, and then glue it at the tip of the triangle like that, and then take the other end of the strip and then just paste it like that. Make sure it's hard, don't lose. Now turn it around again. Now take another strip and paste it like that. Take the other end and paste it. Now you turn it around again and you do the same thing. Now after you do that, turn it around, and the last one. Now put the glue on the tip of it, just like that, with more glue. Yep. Now take the other tip, other end of it, and just paste it like that. See how beautiful that looks? Okay, 1 second. Yep. Now you see that beautiful design. Now you can also modify it by taking a thread, a long one or a short one, how much ever length you want. Now what you have to do is cut it up. After you cut it up, you can paste it on the tip of this edge. Like it should stand still, right? So you have to paste it on that edge and hang it to your wall. And I've done a modification for the last video's wall hanging and this video's wall hanging. So let me show you that really quickly. So just like that, I modified my wall hangings, just like that. It's looking so pretty right now. I just put it under my setup. So I hope you guys like it. And if you guys like, you might be asking me, how did you make that? I just took a roll of paper, and then what I did was just made it into a circle, attached 4 threads at the top, and then add all those wall hangings and stuck it up on the roof, just like that, with some tape. So thank you guys, thank you so much. And I've reached 62 subscribers, I guess. Yeah, thank you so much for all your support, and please like, share and subscribe. Support me more, how much ever you can. So thank you guys, this is your boy Raven taking off. Bye.